My name is Urmen Desai. I am a plastic surgeon in Beverly Hills, California.
Who cannot have breast augmentation? Is there anyone who just shouldn't do it?
I think there's a few people who I tend to turn down. Someone who's super young, obviously, that haven't finished developing, like maybe under 18. Another patient that has maybe some body dysmorphia. We talk a lot about that in plastic surgery. Someone who has expectations that are just super far off. They'll come into my office with an Instagram picture saying, I want to look like this person. And they look nothing like that to begin with. So it's hard to kind of get them to that point. And so I wouldn't want to disappoint them. And so I have to find a tactful way to just say, hey, listen, that picture you're showing me on Instagram, that person probably didn't start out looking like you, and everybody's different. Everybody's body's different. Everybody's genes are different. Their skin is different. Elasticity is different. Age is different. Number of kids they may have had or not have. Breastfeeding or not breastfeeding, so everybody's different. So I just try to let them know. And that's where the imaging helps, because they'll come in with like a before and after of mine or before and after somebody else's, and they say, oh, I like this look. And I'll say, well, everybody's different. Put that before and after away. Let me show you the best before and after, which is going to be of you. So when I scan them on the Crystallic system, I can show them their own potential before and after. And then I say, this is what we can do for you. Just get you a better version of yourself. I can't take somebody else's breasts and put it on you. Just like I can't go to plastic surgeon and say, make me look like Zac Efron or George Clooney or Brad Pitt, because I don't starting out looking like them. I can just look a better version of myself. Same idea.
Do you see the same wish pics coming in over and over?
Yeah, on Instagram, there's a certain set of models that patients tend to really like their style, whether it's Emily Ratajkowski, Kim Kardashian, Kylie Jenner, or some more like really fake or augmented, celebrities out there, like Sweetie is a famous rapper, or a bunch of other people in the music industry. The patients always just show me their same pictures over and over again. But once they mention somebody's name, like, oh, I want to look like Emily Ratajkowski, I already know. Like, she has a natural droop, very supernatural, not a lot of cleavage, a lot of under boob, more of a natural, look. Whereas if they say, oh, I want to look like Sweetie, who has like full round oranges, then I'll say, okay, this person wants like more of a fake, perky look.
I asked a surgeon 15 years ago who had the perfect breasts, and the answer was Emily Ratajkowski. And that was a long time ago, before anyone knew who she was.
Crazy.
Yeah, so she's been the ideal for a long time. She's sort of like the Bella Hadid of boobs.
Yeah. But it's funny, because now if you ask me who has a perfect breast, there's no such thing. Because it's like style.
Mm-hmm.
I may think that Emily Ratajkowski has perfect breasts. I don't, but somebody else may think that, I don't even know who else is out there these days, but like Kylie Jenner has a perfect breast, or Kim, so everybody, there's no such thing as a perfect breast. It's just more style. It's like, who makes the perfect outfit? Is it Valentino? Is it Balenciaga? Is it Vera Wang? It's just who you are. It's like, what style do you like? So there's no perfect.
There's no golden ratio for breasts.
Yeah, exactly. And it's funny. Some patients come and say, oh, I like that droopy, saggy look.
Yeah. Do they say that, or do they call it natural?
They say droopy, saggy, natural. But they'll be like super flat and tight elastic skin. And I say, well, it's funny. I can't get you to droopy and saggy because you're like an A cup and super flat and tight elastic skin and you're 18 years old. You haven't had any kids yet. I can't get you that. But in 30 years, you would probably look like that. But right now, people would love to have your tight elastic skin. And so everybody's different. Everybody has different goals. That's the most important thing to be aware of in this industry.
Where can we find you on Instagram?
My Instagram handle is @Desai Plastic Surgery, DESAI Plastic Surgery. That's where you can see most of my work and get in touch with me, slide into the DMs. Come visit Beverly Hills, California.
Links to our guest's website and contact info are in your show notes. Follow us on Instagram @WhereBeforeMeetsAfter. If you're a board-certified plastic surgeon and would like to be a guest or a sponsor of the show, go to wherebeforemeetsafter.com for more information. Where Before Meets After is a production of The Axis, the podcast agency for aesthetics. TheAxis.io.